Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little eyeshadow tutorial using the London Copyright, the Oprah palette, and I'm also just going to be doing like a little review as well. So I'm jumping straight in with this shade Charmed. Now this is like a light brown. I've noticed that when I've put the eyeshadow onto the brush there's a lot of kickback from the product, so I'm just kind of dabbing that up and using it on my other eye as well, just to make the most of it so it's not going everywhere. So I'm just using a really big fluffy brush for this, and I'm just buffing it into the crease using big circle motions. So once we're happy with how that's looking, we're then just going in with this darker shade and we're just applying this into the crease and on the lid. So that first shade is really nice and cool, it's not too warm. And then this shade is pretty similar, like it's definitely a little bit warmer, but it's definitely more on the cool side. So I've just switched to a flat brush and I'm doing it in with the same shade. I'm just patting this on over the entire lid. I find that the product pats on really well and also blends out really easily, so just be careful not to over blend so that you lose all the colour. So I've just picked back up my fluffy brush and I'm just blending this all out now. So once we're happy with how everything's looking, I'm taking the shade Fantasy, and this is a shimmery brown shade. I'm literally just packing this on over the brown. I'm wanting like a smoky look without it being too harsh. Going back in with a dark brown shade, I'm just smoking out the underneath of the eye now. So before I start my review, I just want to say that this palette was kindly sent to me as PR from London Copyright, but this is not going to affect my opinion. I'm just going to tell you guys what I think. I don't have to make this video, it's just something I've chosen to do. So the palette itself, personally for me, I think it would be a little bit better if there was more matte shades in there. It makes it a little bit harder to make more complex eyeshadow looks. However, for your basics, if you just want to like simply sweep like a shimmer over your eye, or if you want something that's only going to use a couple of shades, it's perfect. It's really good as well if you want to take it away and going on holiday and you know you're not going to be wearing heavy makeup. The pinks are so pretty. All these shades are my kind of shades. I just really wish there was a few more mattes in here. So this palette is £14.95. I would say that's a fair price for this palette. As you can see, I've managed to do, I'd say, kind of a dramatic smoky eye using this palette. I've literally only used 3 shades. So I'm just going to put the swatches up here on screen. So as you can see, all the shades are absolutely beautiful. The black shade doesn't come out as well as all the other shades did, but the sparkle, like that really fine silver glitter inside the black, is absolutely beautiful. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial and review. If you have, please let me know, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon. Have a lovely day.